Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Christmas is around the corner. So what plans do you have for this Christmas? As for me, I have plans of dishing out amazing cake recipes, and this is one of them. So sit back, make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to list the ingredients I used for this cake recipe. 2 cups of flour. I used all-purpose flour. Then my brown sugar, I used 1 cup. 1 cup of golden raisins. If you don't have golden raisins, you can as well use mixed fruits. 100 grams of butter or margarine. Then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 3 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I also used 1/4 cup of liquid milk. Then 1 teaspoon of lemon flavor. And please note, in case you're not covering this cake, you need some extra golden raisins and cherries that will be used as toppings. Now let's get started. Sieving your flour into a clean bowl. I sieved just once. Now it's time for me to sieve in my baking powder into the flour as well. Here I used the all-in-one bowl mixing method. Now I'm pouring in the 1 cup of golden raisins. Afterwards, I'm now adding my 1 cup of brown sugar as well. And I have to give it a stir. Scoop in the butter or margarine into the dry ingredients that is in the bowl. It's now time for me to start adding the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. First of all, I added my vegetable oil, then the eggs, then the milk, and also the flavor. I used my lemon flavor. It's now time for me to mix all these ingredients thoroughly. I used my hand mixer. If you're using hand mixer, you can mix for like 10 minutes. But if you're using a stand mixer, you can mix for just 5 minutes. While mixing, make sure the cake batter is smooth and doesn't have lumps. The cake batter has to be well blended. In case you don't have a mixer or you don't want to use a mixer, and in this case you want to do the manual mixing, that is by using your wooden spoon or spatula to mix the batter, just make sure you mix for like 15 to 20 minutes. You have to make sure that you mix thoroughly so that everything will mix well and all the ingredients should be well incorporated. Now I'll have to use my spatula to do the remaining work. As you can see, the cake batter is ready. So this is my golden raisin cake batter. Afterwards, prepare your pan, then scoop in the cake batter into the prepared pan. So in case you're covering this particular cake when it bakes, at this stage you now have to bake it this way. But if you're not covering it, maybe if you want to dish it out plain, this is what you do. You need to sprinkle those extra raisins on top of the cake batter which is inside the pan. Then after sprinkling the raisins, you can also add some few cherries on top of it as well to make it colorful. So this is what I'm doing. Now look at what we've got here. Just tap the pan and bake. So here I baked this size 7 cake for 1 hour. Then I used 150 degrees centigrade to bake it. Wow, our cake is out and fully baked. As you can see, it baked very well. Afterwards, just peel off the baking paper. Then allow the cake to cool. So this is it, my golden raisin cake. So now I have to package my cake. Make sure you show some cake love to your customers, your friends this season. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel right now. And to you out there watching this video, compliments of the season, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.